If you own an inflatable paddleboard, then you already know that one of the least enjoyable parts of the experience is the time that it requires you to inflate or deflate the board manually before you can either get ready to go out on an adventure, or it's the end of the day and it's time to go back and put everything away. Because let's be real, after packing everything, carrying your gear, finding a spot, getting everything organized, the last thing you want to do is spend sweaty minutes inflating your paddleboard. That is exactly why I want you to check out this AirSure pump. To be specific, this is the AirSure 20. Now, this is a portable electric pump that is designed for the inflatable kayak, paddle boards, rafts, air mattresses, and a wide variety of other applications. So this isn't just a one-use thing. It is a multi-purpose product, which makes it that much more of a value buy. Now, it comes in a great little case, and inside you have everything that you need for any kind of inflatable that you would come across. Really nice, easy to understand manual. It's got color illustrations. It made setup at the beginning really easy. This is the unit right here, and it is a sturdy little unit. It's got a really nice, easy to understand digital display at the front, a convenient hook for hanging onto it, an intake and an outtake valve. It's got suction cups on the bottom, which I think are fantastic, but let's get into the details of what makes this such a great little product to own. Now, one of the biggest flexes that this product has is multiple power sources for charging. Now, unlike a lot of other pumps that require an electric connection or a direct connection to a vehicle, this one has a 12,000 milliamp per hour rechargeable battery built in. That means you can inflate your gear even when you are nowhere near a power source. So if your vehicle isn't nearby, off-grid power is definitely at your fingertips. Now, for longer outings or multiple inflatables, you can connect it to a 12-volt power source if you want. And by the way, it's still connected like this, all tied up nice and neat like when I purchased it, because I haven't had to use this as a power source. It also charges with a little USB-C cord. Another really cool feature about this is it actually doubles as a power source. There's a port right here, which is your charging port and your power port. So you can take your USB-C and plug it in here like this, plug this into a block in the wall, and a couple hours later, you are charged. Another kind of cool feature for this is you can flip your cord around, put in the USB, and now you are providing other devices with power. You can charge your cell phone, lots of options. It's so convenient and flexible. I absolutely love it. It has a great little silicone cover to keep all the elements like the dirt and the water and the dust out of your charging ports, which helps your device to operate better, longer. Using the AirSure 20 is straightforward. The digital display allows you to select your desired pressure, and once you've set the PSI, you simply press start. The pump automatically inflates to the target pressure and then shuts off itself when it's finished. There's no need to stand over it constantly checking the pressure or worrying about overinflation. The dual stage inflation system is another feature definitely worth highlighting. During the early stages, the pump focuses on moving a large volume of air quickly. As pressure builds, it automatically switches to a high pressure mode designed to reach the PSI levels commonly required for paddleboards. This helps to balance speed and performance without requiring any manual adjustments. Another feature that adds everyday convenience is the deflation function. At the end of a long day on the water, packing up can sometimes feel like a chore. Instead of struggling to squeeze air out by hand, you can use the pump to help remove air from your inflatable, making storage and transport that much easier. The pump also comes with multiple nozzle attachments, which increases its versatility. You're not limited to paddle boards. Depending on your outdoor activities, it can be useful for kayaks, for inflatable boats, camping mattresses, pool inflatables, and other compatible gear. For early morning launches, evening paddles, or camping trips, there's also a built-in LED light that can provide a little extra visibility when you need it. And because it's designed to be portable, it fits easily into your paddleboard gear setup without taking up too much space. Overall, the AirSure 20 PSI rechargeable electric SUP pump is focused on convenience, portability, and saving time. Instead of spending your energy manually inflating equipment, you can focus on getting out on the water and enjoying your experience faster. If you regularly use inflatable paddleboards or other inflatable gear, this is one of those accessories that can make every trip a little easier from start to finish. And that's why the AirSure 20 PSI rechargeable electric SUP pump is definitely a family favorite at my house. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.